Ladies and gentlemen, this is the final boarding call for passengers traveling on Finance Flight XY06. Please proceed to gate A30D. Thank you.
नहीं वो 8 बजे होती है, 8:15 बजे इसका 6 बजे
तो बंद है हम देखो तो बैठे रहो
All gate right here.
حضرات السادة المسافرين، هذا الإعلان لضيوفنا اليوم المسافرين على الأمتعة طيران الفندق F307553 إلى القاهرة to board the aircraft through gate A31A. Thank you.
Cuba.
Yeah. What is it
How
go?
do you charge? You don't use the app?
What is it go?
You don't use the application?
Yeah, no problem. Application. So أنا هعمل كل class.
So you do the job
Yeah.
for me.
Yeah. Yes. Application over.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Since you in, just come.
Let me give you the address, okay? Oh my, I don't understand the language.
English? I don't know.
I don't understand in that.
English, yes.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah, some, no problem.
Okay, 1 second. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second.
Okay.
Look, this is 3 Omar Karak Street,
Yeah, 1 minute. The location here.
but there is another one here. Hotel.
Yes, hotel. Yeah, okay.
Hotel. Do you have the hotel?
Yeah.
Hotel El Gamal
Al-Gamal
restaurant.
restaurant.
El
Yeah.
Gamal restaurant.
1 minute.
So
1 minute. Not restaurant. Not town. Yes, here, yeah. Al-Gamal restaurant. Yes. Yes.
correct.
Al-Gamal, yeah. Yes. Yes, okay. Yeah, how much you, my friend?
How
Yeah,
how
here.
long?
How long?
How many?
How many?
Minutes.
33. 33.
33 minutes.
Yeah, 33 minutes.
Okay. How much you charge?
Yeah, money. Okay, this is your money. Egyptian. Egyptian, yeah? Egyptian. And I take it out. And you, Sam?
450 what?
Yeah. 5
Pounds?
The more, 5 ticket. Ticket. I take it out to orbit. Understand?
But you don't have dollars?
Egyptian. No, Egyptian.
Egyptian?
Yeah.
No dollars.
No dollar. And dollar, okay, no problem. Dollar. This is you $10.
That's the best.
$10. Yeah.
That's the best deal.
Total $10. Total.
But it's close. It's not that far. 3 minutes.
Yeah, since you I 400, the more 500 ticket. I take it.
I understand. I understand.
Yeah,
Yeah, I understand. Yeah.
Yeah.
I understand. Yeah.
No problem.
So it's gonna be
$10. Yes, come here. Yes.
$10.
Yeah, $10. Yeah, no problem. Yeah. Yeah, 1 minute. Just come. Yes. Come here.
it's far away, huh?
Yeah, it's very working. More working.
You're no, you can come over here? You cannot?
No, it's police. No, no.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Here, okay.
Yeah, I know.
It's your problem.
Yeah.
The man, you see this man, come.
Yeah.
What's
Yeah, it's good to walk.
your name? Yeah. What's your name?
Frank,
Frank, yeah. My name is Haitham.
hi sir.
Yeah, it's good.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. No, yeah, I'm Egyptian.
I know, right?
Since you here.
I'm going to the
Yeah,
to Giza.
Giza. Yeah.
So,
The pyramids, yeah? Pyramids.
correct.
Yeah. Pyramids is bankers. Yeah.
So I don't have a plan. I don't have any.
Yeah.
How's you gonna do it?
No problem. Is this your first Egyptian here?
Yes.
Yeah. Welcome to Egypt. Let's come here.
Thank you.
Yeah. Since you be Egyptian here, very, very beautiful.
I like Egypt.
Pyramids, bankers, mucus. Yeah, it's beautiful. People, Egyptian here, beautiful.
Oh yeah,
Since
a
you-
lot of people from around the world, right? Coming.
Yeah.
Germany, Europe,
Yeah.
USA,
Yeah, good.
Latin America,
Yeah.
everywhere.
Yes.
Thank you.
Did you first here? Well, no problem, sir.
I'm okay here.
You see it in the photo.
Ah.
Okay.
Ooh, okay. Yeah.
Finish and I see more, okay? I see, okay.
This is good?
That's good, I see.
Okay.
The hot, out hot,
Yeah.
and the come, I see. Give me number for me, and the tour is here Egyptian, and the tour okay.
Uh-huh.
Understand?
Hey, do I need for you my phone? Do I need a SIM card?
Yeah, the SIM card, yeah, this cover tours here.
Uh-huh.
Hello. Outside. Outside.